What up, sweetness? It is a Monday morning, and usually I book myself off for Monday mornings. I started doing that because I need to rest one day within the week at least. And I'm actually just sitting and finishing up some content. I filmed a video with GHD, which I just, you know, did all the like the nitty-gritty stuff for, put in the caption, put on the actual photo and send it through to the brand to get approved. And then I need to get ready because I am actually training the Revlon employees that works in the stores today. I'm very excited about this because I think that is where everything starts. You know, if you as a consumer walk in and you want to purchase a product, they must know what they're doing. They must know how to match your foundation and create like little looks on you. So I'm going to teach them a few stuff today, which I'm really excited about. And then I need to go to the store to go and buy some stuff for videos that I want to film. So it is, even though it's an off day, I'm actually kind of working. I mean, like, obviously I book myself off on Mondays where I don't do clients, but I'm still busy. Like, I don't know, if you're a content creator and you know you have this passion, there's just no way that I can just sit on the couch all day and chill without doing anything. So it's gonna be an eventful day, but I'm excited. Here's a little bit of an outfit look. These are all old items. This is a very old Billabong hat, River Island, which obviously closed down, and these are Bronx boots. I think you might be able to get them. I got them last year, but yeah, nothing new. I am taking my fat burner again. Obviously I was quite sick, so it's not really good to take it when you're not feeling well, and it's been about 4 weeks that I haven't taken it, and I haven't been exercising or anything, and now I'm here no beverasies. If you have experienced this before, it's normal. I do have a story highlights on my Instagram which you can check out, where I explain how the fat burner works and how your body has to get used to it. But so I'm a little bit shaky. Kind of feel like an energizing bunny, but it's good because we are burning the fats. Look at these nice brushes Revlon gifted me. Wow, I'm gonna use them in my class today. Unfortunately, they won't be available in stores, but I feel really blessed. Ooh, this one is nice. Station, and my beautiful model over there. Hello. You can do fast eyeshadow look brows. So if you guys are down with the brow game. Okay. So we all know the structured brow. We all know the brow that you're pulling and you without makeup. You know, that takes a lot of confidence to sit in a room full of people without makeup. Okay. Featheriness. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's choose. Now we're going to do our smoke out technique. Lana is dry. Like it. Okay. Look at this weather. I'm logging on my my phone because my camera is bad. Oh yay, a ladder. We are hunting for some things for my little corner that I wanna do videos in. So we're just trying to find the pot. ¿Dónde está todo? Huh? Smile. Better chair. Thank goodness we have an XC90 because I don't know how we would have gotten these things on. Hey? Woo! I wish I could do this every day. Imagine if like Mr. Price told us every month, you have 10,000 rand, take whatever you want.
I'll continue imagining.
That would be amazing. Yeah. However, it's not so amazing for the bank account though, but it's for a good cause. It's for a good cause. 3,200 or 400 rand, I can't remember exactly now. And then that was at Mr. Price, and then I got this little portrait which I liked at Checkers. That was only 150 rand, which I think is really affordable. And then I got this little cactus which I'll put on the shelf. I think it's really cute. So I would say I still have about 1,000 rand, but I might save that. I didn't get a cushion, like a little scatter cushion. I still want to get one just to decorate the little corner couch we got, or stool. But I'll set everything up and then I'll decide on a color, because I saw this nice Bratia cushion with a little bit of pink accents, but I'm not sure if it will clash with the blue I've got. So I just have to set everything up and then I'll have a look and see. But I'm so excited for my little filming corner. It's time. I'm so excited. This is gonna be the little corner. So as you can see, it's pretty much like, okay, obviously we've got some stuff standing around, but we'll move the vacuum cleaner, and this whole bookcase will go into our room with our Bibles and our books and everything, so we can keep this space pretty clean and all set up and ready. I think it's going to look so cute. So then when you film, it's going to be like this. So this is the before, and then I'll show you guys the after. I love this, it's so pretty. Look at this cutie boy. Look at this cutie boy. Stooteboode. We are heading to my sister's house because she's gonna help me make salsa. Het jy klaar die keks hier in die huis gesit? O, dan is ons al hier goeders. She's gonna help me make salsa. We have a Valentine's event at Sal on Wednesday, and I'm pathetic with food, so she's helping me make salsa for the tacos because everyone's gonna make their own tacos. It's one of those days where I feel like there's not enough hours in a day. I mean, it's already 6:10 and I have some admin to do, I have videos to edit. Tomorrow is a full day of work. I still need to do praise and worship for Wednesday Sal, which I am excited about. Oh shoot. Okay, nee, dis klaar. Sal maar net doen as sy huis toe kom. Say hello. Wie is ons geld dat ek is skuld? Hierso. It's all good. Some olive oil. Okay. And the white vinegar. Hoeveel van dit? Hoeveel van die witwijn? Och. Moet ek gooi? Ja.
Nou is het tijd voor een reunie. Tijd om te resulteer. Kaapkruis. Vandaag bekend vir die honderde duisend.
Thank you. Got my salsa. Oh, oof. So we're just putting up this little portrait over here, which I think is really pretty. And this is the angle, as I showed you guys, that we will be filming in. So I think it's really cute. This grey wall, as beautiful as it is, it can sometimes look so dull because we have like a grey carpet as well. So adding the bit of color just like brings some life to this wall. So basically when I film fashion posts, I'll have this little frame up here which my dad made for me, shoes underneath and the clothes hanging like this. I think I want to get another shelf to put there just to balance things out a bit, and a cushion. But I love the way it looks. Outfit vibes. Okay, the outfit vibes. Morning guys, it is Tuesday and we were thinking about driving in the same car to work. And then we got there to get my studio key, so I had to come all the way back home, and I'm a bit irritated with myself. But anyways, so just got the key. Now I'm heading back to my studio, and then I have a full day of training makeup artists, so obviously I thought I'd take you guys with me. I forgot to record my first class. It is now 1:45.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her?
We got homemade churros.
Can't keep pretending it's not getting
Here's
to
our
me.
homemade salsa.
It's never ending. Can't give you what you need.
If you guys know a nice single jeans, she's available. Hit me up. I'll send you a note. She needs a Valentine's date. She doesn't have her date.
So myself, yeah, you better go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now, and yeah, I'm waiting for some.
He gets upset with me because I put his book from black. Well, turn it down.
You're gonna be copyrighted, love. You can't use that words. Come on now.
So I told him I'll be copyright striked because the music will copyright. Yeah.
Come on.
Anyways, I didn't vlog much yesterday because yesterday I was just busy filming and getting stuff ready and cleaning and doing all these things. And then today we are off to Heidelberg because I changed my surname finally to Pianoff. So I'm picking up my passport and my new ID. And that's basically what we're doing. And then I have to come back, and then I have to film again. And obviously today is Valentine's Day, but it's also Kim's sister's birthday, so we are going to have some wraps there this evening, and yeah, some healthy food, which I'm excited about.
Stay healthy and sweet. Say first issues.
Look at that. Fear nog. Oh, het Hollanderkie. Nee? I'm actually pretty. Maak je ID toe, ja? Je ID toe.
Hoekom?
Any code.
Wat is
Blah,
code?
blah. That's us, yay! Obviously do it in Heidelberg because it's way quicker. They use a ticket system, so you can sit wherever you want. You don't have to stand in queues because your ticket is in the queue. It's still like relax some order because, you know, it's government property, I guess. But apart from that, at least it was quick. It was like 10 minutes, eh? We were there for 10 or 15 minutes. So yay, now I can travel again. Plan my next overseas trip. No, I'm going alone. I'm not taking you with me. This is on the plan for filming today. But first, I'm gonna film a hair tutorial, film a makeup tutorial, and then I'll do this. I just spent the whole day basically filming, but all my content is filmed for next week, and I'm really excited about my fashion post. I think you guys are gonna love it. Probably when you see this vlog, it should be up actually already. But yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram and check me out, and can make just got this little thingy. This is like a little plug-in for the laptop. That's the fakest smell in this. We just had our stories. I'm gonna try and maybe have like a little bit of a healthy sort of meal. Because we're only eating later tonight, so what should I order? What should I order? This is the thing. Look at this. 1,500 Rand for this thing. So it plugs in, and then you have like your USB port and your SD card and all these things. But I mean, 1,500 Rand. Oh, it's crazy, but we need it, so. So we are at my sister-in-law's house. It's pretty much the end of the week, so I thought let me end this voice note, video. And yeah, until next time, as always, stay sweet.